TV wall mount that is designed to fit most 37 to 70-inch TVs and offers a universal tilt feature. This type of wall mount is compatible with different stud widths, 16-inch, 18, and 24, and has a maximum loading capacity of 132 pounds. The maximum Visa Video Electronics Standards Association hole pattern supported is 600 by 400 mm, which indicates the spacing of the mounting holes on the back of the TV. About this item, wall TV mount and suitability. The Mounting Dream TV wall mount is suitable for TV of 37 to 70 inches holding a weight of 132 pounds with max Visa 600 by 400 mm supporting 24 inches with stud spacing. For better feel, you can check the weight of TV of Visa with stud spacing and blocked input. Kindly note that TV is just for reference. Space saving. Due to the low-profile TV bracket being 1.5 inches closer to the wall than the standard TV bracket, this wall mount provides an ideal space-saving option with an attractive appearance. Tilt TV to reduce glare. You can tilt your TV forward up to 8 degrees with the Mounting Dream wall mount, which lessens glare and improves viewing. Easy to install. With clear instructions and level, the wall mount is simple to install in just 3 steps. Please be aware that not all of our TV mounts are only suitable for drywall. Additional concrete anchors in the size of 10 by 50 mm may be needed that are available through Mounting Dream Team. If you prefer a single-piece wall mount, please refer MD 2268XL. After-sale service. If you have any questions or queries regarding the product, you can contact us and we will provide you solution shortly.